welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today I am so excited. I'm about to do a review or a first impression on a product called CoverFX. Now you all know about CoverFX foundation. I think I'm late to the game, but that is okay. Actually, I'm here, so we're just gonna do it, right? Yes. So I went and got a sample, of course, from Sephora for CoverFX. That's the name of the foundation. The shade that I was matched was N100, and this is my sample. As always, I will get a sample of a foundation prior to purchasing it, just to make sure that is my right shade. All right, so this is again N100, and I'm going to see if this is my true shade. Now, whether it is or not, we're just going to have to work with it because I only got one sample, and you guys already know you're getting ready with me, so we ain't not about to take it off. It's just going to have to roll. If you can see, I am rocking a smoky look this morning. Yes, a smoky. I just wanted to keep it really smoky and just test out my blending ability. What y'all think? Yes. All right. So with the CoverFX, I'm also going to go in with the primer called the Milk. Now the Milk primer has come out, I think maybe a year ago. I'm not sure about the date. Guess what? We're just going to say a year. Okay. And I went and got a sample also. Now this is an hydrated primer. It's supposed to be like a grip, so it's supposed to be like a primer to a wall, so give the foundation somewhere to hold on to. So I hear a lot about it. You guys already know that I have super oily skin, so we're gonna see if this works. Now I do want my skin to be really matte today, so I'm not sure what CoverFX is gonna do for me. I don't know if this girl is really gonna make me matte or let me look like a grease pan, but we're gonna see, right? So if you want to see this tutorial, yes, I'm so excited. If you want to see this tutorial, then stay tuned and watch. All right, that was my first expression. Yeah. I don't know if this girl comes to play. So, as usual, let's make sure you're damping your sponge. So first I'm going to put on a primer, and yes, I may layer on a second primer. Okay. So it goes on clear. Okay. Okay. I don't see the hype yet. You're supposed to make this dry down. So we're gonna make sure it dries down before I put on my second layer of primer. To how scared I am about this primer, guys. I really wanted to go ahead and put on Milk of Magnesia, since I really want my skin to be super matte. But I am gonna give it fair try. So I may not even put on a second primer on it, because I just really want to see what it's gonna do. And that was the Milk primer. We're letting it dry. Yes. Yeah. Sorry. I don't know about, I'm about to sign a record deal. That was not true. It's only a dream. Only a dream. Now I think this thing dried out. I really don't have time. Time is not on my hand. Time is not on my hands. Let's go. All right. So, primer. Yours should be dry. So, let me blend it out just a little so you guys can really see. You see how red that is? Just imagine if I went and bought a whole bottle and this foundation is this red. when I have so much yellowness to my skin tone. But as you already know, a sister can fix it. Let's blend it out and see if it oxidizes a little darker than it comes off. Okay, let's go. Oh, Jesus. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Oh, okay. Mother of God, I am red. Okay. So, we already discovered it is not my shade. It's too red. But I must say, the coverage, do you see that? Really good. So, with that being said, I just have to get my shade. Woo! Okay. I'll stop being goofy. Let's get up between these nose. Get up between these nose. Yeah. Cover this mustache. Sorry. Sorry. I'm very sorry. It's the redness that's doing that to me. It's giving me goofiness. It's giving me that vibe. You know what? Let me go ahead and fix that part of my wig too, guys. We're gonna multitask. With this Rudolph, Rudolph, Rudolph. Let's take the redness around the corner, eh? Okay. So, I love the coverage. And it's matte. Look at that. Yeah. I love the coverage. So now I have to find my shade. I'm gonna just pass some concealer right there in my my wig. Yes. 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 Trying to create a scalp. Yes. Even this look red on my wig. But it's okay. Yeah, so that's how we fix that, eh? And then I try to go in this a little. Not on the hair, but on the lace itself. And just try to bring in some color on the lace. Just to look like mine. Which wig? Which one? No. You didn't know my mama was Indian. Yeah, my mama Indian, my daddy Chinese. Yes. So that's how I got this. Girl, that's how I got this. I am very mixed. Okay. Think it looks okay. Y'all think. Okay. That looks good. Shoops. Shoops. Who gonna check me if it doesn't look good? Who gonna really check me and say, oh, your wigs look a mess? I don't care. Okay. I got product in the hair, so. Oh, we don't care. But anyway, the face is dry down. I wish this was my shade. Did you see? Do y'all see that? Okay, back to it. Anyway, we're gonna add some Fenty 420 on this. 420 Fenty, where are you to the rescue? Come and fix this red face. Oh, my face is, ooh. That primer is holding my face like the milk of magnesia. Yes. Yes. Now, do y'all see the difference? Yes. You just have to know your skin. Like, you just gotta know. You gotta know. You just gotta know what will just fix the problem. Yeah, I'm telling you that, I see a little problem right there. You just have to just know. I'm just gonna have to fix that part right there, right? To see, yeah, okay. Do y'all see how the Fenty just came and neutralized Rudolph? Yeah, Fenty just like, okay, you know I got this. That's a thing. Sorry. I don't know who put you in the ring. Neutralize it. Neutralize it. Okay. I didn't even have to set the primer. So, I was able to fix it, but I still love it. I still love CoverFX. I'm gonna go and get, so I used the Fenty to fix it. That's what I did. Yeah. So I was able to use the Fenty to fix it. It still look a little reddish, but it's fine. When you start adding all the colors, it will just blend right in. But I'm loving the coverage. I don't know if it's the primer, but whoa, my face is snatched to the gods. Which gods? I don't serve gods. Sorry. It's snatched to me. I don't know. Y'all knew that was coming. Now this is the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer that I always use. But I'm gonna do a little combo just to give my under eyes a lift. And this is something that I do when I want the look to look more dramatic. I'll go under my eyes with a brighter concealer, if I can find it. You would think I'm not organized, right? Especially everything is right here in front of me. But I found it. Now this is the NARS. And this shade is Biscuit. Is it pronounced Biscuit? That one. They only have one that start with a B. So that one. And just to brighten up that. I really love this smoky look. Alright, so that's that. I'm going to do my lips because time is going. I'm going to do my lips. Yeah. And you know what I'm going to do, guys, to finish his eyes? I'm going to put on a green eyeliner on this and then smoke it out. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be doing lips. Now for the lip. I think this is the MAC Midnight, Night Moth. I really thought this was not something that, I thought it was, okay. This is the MAC Night Moth. Something that I said I wanted to do now. Yeah. So I'm gonna start concealing right there, because I'm getting some crease issues. So, okay. Come off like a purple. I'm blending out the concealer, so just watch me finish my face and I'll come back and give you my full review on this product. All right, guys, so that's the final look. My face is finished, completely finished. Love it, love it, love it. Love the foundation. Just gonna make sure I find my right shade. So if you're in the market looking for a foundation, definitely go out and get this foundation. It's very matte, full coverage, dry down. Especially this milk primer is the truth. This milk primer is the truth. Look at my face, guys. Loving it, loving it, loving, love it. That's all that I have, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see you all on my very next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.